Yep. This is it, folks. You're watching Chriso do a bathroom floor. We've done the shower. See how my glue is? It's not super runny. It actually stands up nicely when you go like that. It doesn't sink. If you dig what I mean. Now in Australia, I've cut a round hole, but in Australia it's all back to wall toilet. That's the modern toilet, and I didn't have to cut a round hole. But instead of texting the owner and saying, are your toilets back to wall toilets, and so I'm not disturbing him, you just cut a round hole and it'll do everything. Then it'll be back to wall. It'll allow for the back to wall. It'll allow for everything, every toilet out there. So we are home and hose people. Clip it together. The Italians invented the clip. These things, the Chinese copied. Right, I'll just grab some tiles and I'll be back. I'll be back.